Imagine a young boy playing beneath a beautiful blue sky. The air filled with red scent of the earth. This was my childhood in a bustling mining town in Chegutu, Zimbabwe. The vibrant life on the upper earth was mirrored by the destruction action that was occurring beneath the earth. My father was a miner. I saw him toil each and every day with each and every scoop scan the earth that we live on. I saw the pristine rivers turning into muck and toxic. I saw the devastating actions caused by the mining activities. In our village, we consider cattle as a source of wealth. But I saw cattle dying, and we were not able to actually find the cause of the death. It was caused by animals drinking toxic water. This made me to have a hunger to try and search for the solution for the problems that we were seeing around our community. Fast forward, I went to college at Harare Institute of Technology. Every experiment, every equation, it was fueled by a singular purpose to find the solution in trying to cure the toxic water that I have seen affecting my community. Boom, I then find a solution. I was able to discover, while at least I was seated, showing that there was a lot of waste cans around the campus. Then I asked myself, what can we do with these waste cans? Can we not utilize them? Then I carried out my research, and I was able to manage and produce what is called nano-alum, which I can call a water warrior. Nano-alum, it is obtained from discarded cans, and it is very effective in treating what is called acid mine drainage. I'm sure most of you haven't heard that word, but I'll explain what acid mine drainage is. So after I've discovered that nano-alum, it can actually solve the problems that were affecting my community, a hunger was created within me. A spark was ignited within me. A burning desire in trying to actually implement this discovery. It wasn't only a scientific discovery, but it was a weapon that I was going to use in trying to change the problem that was affecting my community. Acid mine drainage. What it is? Acid mine drainage, this is when water bodies and water bodies beneath are affected or drained by mining activities. Active mining sites and also abandoned mining sites. United Nations has labeled acid mine drainage as the second most disaster, second most problem that is affecting the world right now after climate change. In the US alone, 22,000 kilometers of streams of river is affected by acid mine drainage. 180,000 acres of land is affected by acid mine drainage. So not only has it affected my small community, but it has also affected the global village. The Vaal River system in South Africa, it has also been affected by acid mine drainage. But nano-alum, it can actually solve this by reacting with the water and penetrating the pores of soil and rocks and trying to treat acid mine drainage by reacting it with it and precipitate so that you can actually remove the acidic water from the water bodies and hence cleaning the environment. I realized that acid mine drainage, only 1.5 grams of nano-alum can treat 1 liter of water, hence showing that it is very effective, it is very efficient, and also it is cost effective. So me discovering this, it fueled a hunger and a thirst within me. and trying to showcase this discovery to the world. So I tried to go to a competition which is called Falling Walls Lab Zimbabwe. So this competition, it involves young innovators, entrepreneurs that are trying to find solutions for the bigger problems that the world is facing. And I was glad to be amongst the finalists, and it gave me a ticket to go to Berlin, Germany, and presented my country. So in Berlin, Germany, I was able to manage to interact with various researchers, professors, and scientists in trying to see how we can scale up this idea so that it can actually affect and be useful on our very community. And I was able to do that. So I collaborated with a few researchers, and we are currently working on trying to make sure that nano-alum is used in our small community in solving that solution. That problem. So I would like to say, around us there's a lot of waste. What are we doing with that waste? Can we not use that waste to treat another waste? Can we not use that waste in solving the most devastating problems? So I would like to leave you with this challenge, to look around us and trying to find ways whereby we can utilize the waste that is around us, so that we will be able to live in harmony with the earth that is around us. So one type of acid mine drainage, we can actually treat it with one nano-alum at a time. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you.